Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Homesuit indoor bug zapper with 20 watts. Yeah, it's a powerful 3000 volts electric bug zapper, and it's specially for inside. And the really special thing about this that it is really massive. I mean, this has a huge impact compared to just smaller bug zappers. I've been trying a lot with such portable devices and they didn't do a lot. Sometimes I had them been running the whole night and didn't even catch one single bug. And I think it's because there is just not enough UV light. When you see that this is super weak, and so there's not enough attraction to the mosquitoes, and that's a total different thing here. This is massive. So here we have also a small instructions manual. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can see and read everything. Could be well worth reading everything before you start using that, also for safety reason. Then we get also some accessories. And what's really nice, yeah, I love this thing, we get even 2 spare bulbs. That's awesome here, the really nice package. And then we get also this nice cleaning brush and this chain to hang it up like in a tree or on the ceiling. And as you can see, it's everything fully installed here already, so you don't have to do anything. Here we get the 110 volts cable, and so if you want to use the chain, you can just hook it in here and then hook it up to the device on both sides. So this is how it goes. So you can use it to hang it up easily. As you can see, it has a really nice safe hold, and for emptying and cleaning you don't have to be worried. We have this really nice brush which is capable to go into everything and clean if it's needed. And down here we have this tray which we can easily remove. We can empty it, we can even wash it. Very convenient. And then we plug it in here, and then we have this on off switch, and as you can see, we are ready to collect all these bugs inside and even outside. Of course, it's not water protected. If you want to use it outside, make sure that you are using it where it's absolutely dry, maybe in a patio or so. But you can see that massive blue light. So here you can see it even a little bit in a darker environment, really massive. The only thing that you have to be a little bit careful is, I mean, it's protected here. As you can see, we have this nice grid, and so usually, especially for adults, there's absolutely no problem. But if you have small children or pets or something like that, I would highly recommend to put it a little bit on an elevated area or hang it up on the ceiling so nobody can touch the inside accidentally where there is high voltage. But you can see outside, absolutely no problem, really good protection, everything is very safe. So this is total different thing, total different game compared to all these small devices which are not efficient. This has much more attraction to all the bugs. And so I had this bug zapper now outside yesterday in the evening for only about 30 minutes, then took it in and checked, and you can see the result. It's very impressive. We have a lot of small bugs down there which have been attracted and killed and then have been falling down. We have also a lot of larger insects here. So at the beginning it was pretty slow for a couple of minutes, and I thought, okay, is it really working? And then in a sudden it attracted a lot of mosquitoes and other bugs, and there was really a lot going on. So I'm really impressed. What I did, I had it running on this power station here. I want to show you that. It's really impressive. You can see it's only consuming 17 watts, so this can run only from this small battery for many hours already, let's say for the whole evening. And so you can enjoy a quiet evening outside with your friends, for example. So I turn this off, and you can see now we have the bugs here. I mean, most of them are trapped down there, and we can remove it and then clean it easily. So you can see the result here close, but also there are still a lot of them up here. So you can see we can easily remove them here. Maybe you could even use a vacuum or so to remove everything down there. But you can see it's definitely very efficient, the most powerful bug zapper which I've ever had, and so I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.